Hello and welcome to Writing 227. I'm Beth Adelot, your instructor, up here in the corner, because I want to show you the Moodle page here for our class. Let me tell you, first of all, Writing 227 is one of my favorite courses to teach. You've had lots of academic writing courses in high school, Writing 121, Writing 122. This is technical writing. I wish it was called practical writing instead. If you ask me how long an assignment needs to be, I'll tell you as short as you can make it. We're going to be talking about being precise, concise, to the point. No extraneous details, no fluff. Now, let's talk about the course. This is, as I said, the Moodle page for the course. It is writing class for writing on the workplace or academic, anything. It's writing, practical writing. Remember that this first week of classes, you have to post at least something. It's not enough just to log on. You need to post something or else I'll have to drop you from the course. Now, all this introductory material, I hope you go through it, read what you need to. News and announcement forum, that's when I will give you information. I will email you every Monday morning to begin the week, tell you what's in store for you. Yes, the course is totally online. I'm available by Zoom. I'm available by telephone, texting, all sorts of ways. I'm available for you. This is some information about me, the syllabus, everything you need to know about the course. And then I've given you an overview of the assignments. I think you probably should get out a calendar and put down everything when it's due so that you'll get a general idea of what your summer is going to be like. Now, I've got resources for you. Tutoring is open this summer. Library is open this summer. If you have any questions to ask me with the question and answer forum. Anything personal like grades or being excused from an assignment or being late with something, that's email. But something that's involving Moodle or the course itself, it can be this. Basic needs too. We've all gone through some hard times in the last couple of years. Basic needs, community and campus support for everything from food, clothing, whatever help you need. Lane's pretty good about offering support. And then I've given an acknowledgement of the land, the indigenous peoples who were here before us. Looking forward to this summer. Let me know if you have any questions.